Effective way for improving English skills: 1. Listening, 2. Speaking, 3. Reading, 4. Writing, 5. Vocabulary, 6. Grammar, 7. Environment, 8. Consistency. Listening skills: watch English content, listen to podcasts, watch movies, and follow YouTube channels in English. Start with subtitles if needed, focus on pronunciation, pay attention to how words are pronounced. You can use your channel on pronunciation and vocabulary to practice and teach others too. Listen actively, try to understand the meaning, tone, and context. 2. Speaking skills: practice speaking daily, speak with friends, join English speaking groups, or participate in online discussions, imitate native speakers, mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and expressions, record yourself, play back your recordings to identify and correct mistakes, talk to yourself, describe your day, or practice common phrases in front of a mirror. 3. Reading skills: read varied materials, start with simple books, blogs, or articles, and gradually move to more complex texts, highlight new words, note unfamiliar words, understand their meaning, and use them in sentences, summarize what you read, write or talk about what you understood. Writing skills: keep a journal, write daily about your thoughts, plans, or experiences, practice formal writing, compose emails, essays, or social media posts in English, get feedback, share your writing with others or use tools like Grammarly for corrections. Vocabulary building: learn 5 to 10 new words daily, use flashcards or apps like Quizlet or Anki, use new words, incorporate them into your speaking and writing, group words by theme, for example, learn words related to travel, emotions, or food. Grammar and syntax: study basic grammar rules, understand tenses, prepositions, and sentence structures, use online resources, follow YouTube channels, websites, or apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or Cambridge English, practice exercises, complete worksheets or take quizzes to reinforce learning. Engage in English environments, join clubs or communities, participate in English-speaking groups online or offline, watch and participate in webinars, focus on topics that interest you, set social media to English, interact with posts, comments, and messages in English. Consistency and patience: dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour daily to practice, celebrate small milestones and keep motivated.